interested in proteins, and proteins are essentially the building blocks of our biological processes, so they're absolutely essential. And we know that proteins need to fold in order to function correctly, and proteins will be things like antibodies, so they'll be involved in your immune system, they're enzymes, they're all sorts of scaffolding proteins for your skin and for your cells. And if proteins don't fold correctly, they can misfold and they can start to aggregate. So what I mean by that is they start to self-assemble and they form long fibres which are deposited in the tissues. And that can be associated with aging-related diseases. One example of that is Alzheimer's disease, which is a form of dementia, in which proteins self-assemble to form these amyloid fibres that collect in the brain tissue. So it's really important for us to understand the processes by which proteins misfold and cause disease, and see what we can do to try and stop it.